see, and our purpose today is to speak about health. Our first point is devoted to outstanding people in medicine, and of course, the first man is Hippocrates. He was an extremely intelligent man who is famous for being the father of medicine, and Hippocrates, of course, was an extraordinary man who changed the world of medicine with his ideas. For example, Hippocrates believed that doctors needed to be serious, professional, and very importantly to be clean. He told his student doctors to wash their hands all the time, and his patients were always clean too. One of the many extraordinary things that Hippocrates did in his life was to discover and use psilocin. He used psilocin to cure headaches, and later people forgot about this medicine. But 2,200 years later, German scientists rediscovered psilocin, and it became an ingredient in today's typical cure for headaches, aspirin. And the final point about Hippocrates, that he was clearly a good doctor, because he himself lived until he was very old. Some people say he was 83 when he died, some say 90, and others say that he was 100 years old. And think about nowadays, there are also a lot of talented people in this field, and one of them is Leonid Rochal. Leonid Rochal is a pediatrician, the head of the Moscow Scientific Research Institute for Emergency Children's Surgery and Traumatology, and a founder of international aid organization to rescue children in trouble. And if you have any questions, I'm ready to answer them.
Okay, my question will be connected with outstanding people, and I know that Leo Bacteria also one of them. And what do you know about this person?
Of course, I admire him because he is very talented cardiologist, surgeon, and scientist.
Anastasia, do you have headaches from time to time?
Yes, of course, I sometimes have headaches.
And what do you usually do to stop it?
I usually take aspirin.
Thank you.
Our second point will be connected with secrets of long life, and Sophia will continue to speak about it.
Hello, my name is Sophia, and I will continue to speak about health, and I'm going to tell you about secrets of a long life. And 100 years ago, not many people lived into the 70s, and now it's very common to do in development countries. But on the Japanese island of Okinawa, people live longer than everywhere else in the world. And they don't live just longer, they live better. As for the diet, Okinawans eat traditional diet of soy, fruit and vegetables, and they also eat a lot of fish, which are rich of omega-3 fatty acids, and it helps to reduce risk of heart disease and breast cancer. And they don't eat a lot of red meat, and their diet is low in fats. Think about elderly Okinawans, they enjoy walking, gardening, and they often walk long after the usual age of retirement in Western countries. And interviews with Okinawans reveal that they are optimistic, adaptable and easygoing. And they also have strong religious beliefs which give them comfort and support. And they have a valid role in society and the family, and they are respected for their wisdom and experience of life. That's all, and if you have any questions, I'm ready to answer them.
Okay, how do you think, why is Mediterranean diet so popular and useful?
I think this diet is useful and popular because of fresh fruit and vegetables, and of course thanks to seafood.
Hello Sophia, how do you think speaking different languages can be good for your health?
I think that being bilingual can help old people to think quickly. Our third point is connected with vitamins, and Lev will continue to speak about it.
Hello, my name is Lev. I'd like to continue to speak about health, and I'm going to speak about vitamins. Vitamin means life. The story of vitamins actually begins in 1911 when a Polish chemist by the name of Funk extracted from rice polishings a crystallized substance. This substance was capable to cure beriberi. Funk called this substance vitamine. The root vita indicates that the substance is essential to life and health. In this way, the word vitamin was born. Vitamins are substances to be found in certain foods which are necessary for the growth, development and general health of the body. There are a lot of different vitamins, but I would like to speak about 5 of them. Vitamin C is needed to help our skin repair itself when it cut or damaged. It's found in fruit, especially citrus fruit like oranges and grapefruit. The B vitamins keep the nervous system healthy and help reduce stress. It's found in foods like whole grain bread and cereals. Vitamin A is needed to help our eyes and it's important for good vision. It's found in fatty foods like whole milk, cheese and butter. Vitamin D is needed for healthy bones and teeth, and our body makes vitamin D when our skin is exposed to sunlight. And the last one is calcium. It's needed for children's bones and teeth to grow. It's found in fatty foods like butter, milk and yogurt. If you have any questions, I'm ready to answer.
Okay, of course we know there are 11 main vitamins, and vitamin C is the main one, and where we can find it.
I know that it's found in fruit, especially citrus fruit like oranges and grapefruit, and I have known that we can find vitamin C in potatoes.
Okay, Gleb, and the question is connected with the sort of vitamins and what Casimir Funk is famous for.
Casimir Funk is famous for finding out vitamins. And next, Nikita would like to speak about alternative medicine.
Hello, my name is Nikita and I would like to continue to speak about health. I would like to speak about alternative medicine. It's a branch of medicine with no scientific basis. For example, a lot of knowledge, which we call alternative, has come from watching animals. You may say a dog or a cat eat grass. They do it because it makes them sick and it clears their stomachs of worms. And another example is when African elephants are going to give birth, they will walk many kilometers to eat leaves from certain tree that will help with labor. And people also use alternative treatments in their life. For example, music therapy. Using song to help patients control pain and improve their mental and physical functioning. It is useful for people who have a lot of stress situations and for people who have mental disorders. And it also helps to concentrate and reduce stress. And if you have any questions, I'm ready to answer them.
Okay, how do you think why is alternative medicine so popular and useful nowadays?
Because people and bacteria just now are becoming more resistant to antibiotics, so people just now try to find new ways of medicine.
Nikita, my question will be connected with alternative treatments. And what do you know about old wife remedies?
Of course, I know a lot about them, and the most famous of all of these old wife remedies is chicken soup. I know that a lot of people think that chicken soup that is a main idea with no scientific basis, but a new study has discovered that old wife remedies do work. Scientists have found out that chicken soup is a great cure for a cold, and all kinds of hot soup can help to get rid of sore throat, and a hot soup also helps to kill viruses very quickly.